all set to continue my plans for taking over the world! First of all, I just have to destroy Superdog. To do that, I've made a nice potion that will kill him. In other words, poison him. I've already added it to his water. Now, let's go and watch him drink and die. Time for some food and water. This water smells weird. I better go get some new water. Ah! He didn't drink it! Oh well, I'll just have to go on without him. Now, I will send out my robot! Destroy half the town! Destroy half the town! Destroy half... Hello, people of the town! I am Kitty. I know that you are scared because I have destroyed half the town, but that's okay. Now, I will give you the option to join me, and we can take over the world together, with me as your leader! I don't think the whole taking over the world idea with Kitty as our leader is good. I think I better go chase Kitty away.